Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the world of Warships. Legends error code 0x201. The error reads, "Connecting to server, failed to authenticate user. Try restarting the game." Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to sign into the mobile version of the game using their Xbox or Microsoft account, but are unable to proceed. According to our research, this error may occur due to network issues, an outdated game version, VPN interference, or server-side problems. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart your gaming device along with your network. Simply turn off your device and router, then unplug them from the power source. Then wait for a few minutes, and then power them back on. After everything restarts, launch the game and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then check if you need to update the game. If yes, install the pending update and then check for the error. If the error persists, then check if you are running a VPN. If yes, disable the VPN and restart the game. And check for the error. At last, if the error still persists, then there might be server maintenance or an outage. In this case, wait for some time and try again later. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.